Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to do object tracking in InShot, completely free and super easy. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your InShot app and then import your video. And for example, now let's try tracking a moving object using a blur effects. Just tap on sticker and then go to detail and then just type the blur style that you want. I will choose mosaic and then just adjust the size and positions of the blur to cover the moving objects like this. Next, set how long you want the blur to appear by adjusting the effect's durations like this. Now here's come the tracking part. Just tap on tracking, this one. If you are tracking a face, just simply choose the face and InShot will detect it for you automatically. And if you wanna tracking another part, just tap this icon. And in this tutorial, I will tracking another part. And then just place the point on the area that you want to follow, like this. And then just start tracking. And let's try play the video. Like this. And let's try another example. This time we will add text to follow a different part of the video. For example, like this. And then I will adjust the durations and then just tap on tracking again. And then I will choose another part and position the points like this. And then just start tracking. Then let's play the video. Like this. And just like that, you have learned how to track moving objects in InShot using blur or text. It's perfect for hiding sensitive info or adding creative touches to your video. And all from your phone, and it's totally free. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.